Hello and welcome back to the iHeat YouTube channel. Today we're talking about condensate pipes, not how to defrost them, but how to prevent them from freezing in the first place. This is step one. This is lagging. This is armor flex lagging, which is insulation for the pipe. This will not only protect it from animals outside, but also stop it from freezing. So we're just going to come in and place the insulation around the pipe and move our way down and wrap it around the pipe. Cut it to length so that it fits. Once you've got the pipe on, you want to use zip ties to tighten it up and then screw it back into the wall and you're good to go. Nice and easy, very simple. Pair of scissors and some zip ties and you're good to go. What we do at iHeat when we install a boiler is try and terminate the pipe inside the property, and this will prevent it from freezing in the first place. Also, yes, we have seen your comments. This is a terrible example of a condensate pipe. This should not be flat. There should always be a constant drop in the pipe to allow the water to flow so it doesn't freeze. This creates a stagnant spot for the water to sit and freeze overnight. If your pipe is like this, get it changed, make sure there is a constant drop and insulate if need be. This has been iHeat. Thank you very much for watching.